friends, in this video I'm going to tell you about what is encryption and what is decryption and why we chose this project. So what is encryption? Encryption is basically converting your data from one form to an unknown form. Like if you take your PAN card details, your Aadhaar card details or your credit card details, converting those numbers into an understandable form, and which the if any hackers try to access your credit card details in the if your folder is in encrypted form, they cannot be they cannot understand what is there in there. So that is basically encryption. And decryption is whenever you need to see your private data like Aadhaar card details or any personal videos or personal files, you can decrypt the data by using a key. And with the key, the data will be decrypted and it will be you can get back the original form of your file. So this is basically decryption. The reason why we chose this project because we thought this project would be more interesting and more fun to do. And we did little research about this project and we found that these encryption and decryption is dated back from 1960s, I think 1960s, during World War II and during all the military defense systems. If you basically take any end-to-end communication like WhatsApp, Facebook, or any end-to-end communication, there'll be first the data will be encrypted from your side. As I'm assuming you're the user, and when you're sending the message will be encrypted first, and it will go to the server, and the server will take and the server will send those messages to the receiver, and the receiver and in the receiver end there will be a decryption taking place, and the data will be decrypted and it will be brought to original for original back, and you can read the message. You can read the message what the sender send you. So this is basically our project. Our project, what it consists is like our project will decrypt all type of files, like audio, text file, name any file. It will decrypt any file. Thank you. My friend Shahat will share with the code.
Hello friends, Sajin have told you about the encryption and decryption so you can understand better. Now I will show you how our project works. So let's get started. First I will show you how to encrypt a file. So press E to encrypt. Then we have to give a file name we want to encrypt. Uh, Suppose we want to encrypt this image. Then we have to set a password so that nobody can decrypt a file. As you can see, the file has been encrypted. This is a encrypted file. Now I will show you how to decrypt a file. Remember we pressed E for encryption. Now we will press D. Mm. Then we have to give a file name that you want to decrypt. So this is my file, encrypted file. Then we have to give a file name that we set while encryption. So my password was 123. As you can see, the file has been decrypted. So this is my file. In this way you can decrypt or encrypt any media file or text file as you want.